Hello and welcome back to one more tutorial from your learning partner, LearnNow. This tutorial is about how to use the date, time, month, and year functions in Excel. So let's get started. Excel has a variety of functions that can help you manipulate data and make calculations, including functions for working with dates and times. Let's take a look at some of the most useful ones. First, let's start with the minute function. The minute function is used to get a minute value based on a specified hour. For example, we will to the column I2 and will write equal to minute bracket open, and we will select the column H2 to get the minutes value from the hours. As you can see the result in column I2. Then we will drag the column I2 till down to get the result for all other cell in the same column. Next, we have the hour function. The hour function is used to get an hour value based on a specific hour. For example, we will go to the column J2 and will write equal to hour bracket open, and we will select the column H2 to get the hour value. Next function we have is the day function. The day function is used to get a day number from the specific date. For example, we will go to the column K2 and will write equal to day bracket open, and we will select the column G2 to get the day number from the specific date. As you can see the result in column K. Next, we have the weekday function. The weekday function is used to get a week number from the specific date. For example, we will go to the column L2 and will write equal to weekday bracket open, and we will select the column G2 to get the week number from the specific date. As you can see the result in column L. Moving on to the month function. The month function is used to extract the month from a specific date. For example, to use the month function, simply type equal to month in the column M2 and select the date from column H2 is the cell containing the date value you want to extract the month from. Hence we will get the month result in column M. Lastly, we have the year function. The year function is used to extract the year from a date value. To use the year function, simply type equal to year in the column N2 and select the date from the column H2, where date is the cell containing the date value you want to extract the year from. In conclusion, the hour, minute, day, weekday, month, and year functions can be incredibly useful for working with dates and times in Excel. By using these functions, you can easily manipulate and extract data based on specific date and time values. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.